So this is task 7 for Digital Technologies HTML. And for this task, the goal was to create a table of contents, and along with a revising listing. So this is the HTML pages for tables. You can just have a rundown through that. So along with the table, we had to add styles to the table. So we had to make a separate CSS. So this is the CSS. This one, it includes the border, table padding, table border collapse, and the ninth child, which alternates the color of each column, and also the background color of the table. So let me just show you from my original HTML document. Yep, and this is my table.